We're here for night 5 of the 2023 Dakota Classic Modified Tour from beautiful Southwest Speedway. My guest tonight is the feature winner from Estevan Motor Speedway, Cody Shope. Cody, did you realize that winning the feature came with the contingency of being a guest on the Snack Shack?
Oh, that's awesome. That's the best part of it, I swear.
Why don't we go see what Hot Sauce has got cooking today, because it's a special menu. Hot Sauce, what's going on, bud? Hey, how are you feeling this morning?
I feel great. I hung out with some friends last night and it got a little wild and late, so.
I heard you were drinking a few whiskey soups last night. How did that go?
I don't remember what I was drinking, but it was all sorts of beverages. Yeah.
So on the menu today, you got some hangover remedies going on?
Yeah, we got lots of carbs, so we can pull ourselves together here before the heat races.
Heck yeah, let's check it out. So Cody, did you know the secret menu item today is Tim Ward sliders?
I like it.
You like it?
They're clean.
They're nice and clean. You guys had a pretty good battle the other night.
Yeah, it was fun. I'm glad he showed me where to go.
So what was the celebration like of winning at home?
There was no celebration. I went straight home and snuggled in with my daughter and my wife and went to bed.
That sounds good. Let's get some stuff later.
Yeah.
This is the celebration. This is it, the contingency celebration. So the lineup today, look at this. Creamy Knoephla and sausage soup. So Knoephla, a German dish. Isaac, what is in Knoephla soup actually?
In Knoephla, I don't know. So Knoephla like a doughy substance. So long story short, when the Germans were poor back then, they had to make everybody fill up fast. So it's like a doughy, and it's like a dumpling dough. And then the sausage is actually homemade sausage too, and you just cut up it in there. Ma didn't put a bunch of sauerkraut in because she didn't know if everybody loves sauerkraut. Most of us love sauerkraut.
Do you like sauerkraut?
I love sauerkraut.
What do you think? What do you think about chicken on race days?
Nah, not big on it.
So you're happy it's sausage today on the menu?
Yeah, very.
Then ham and cheese sliders.
And ham and cheese sliders. That's
Hawaiian rolls.
the Hawaiian rolls again?
Hawaiian rolls, baby.
Are they actually made in Hawaii?
I don't know.
All right, let's dish it up here, Cody. So let's get a plate going. This is the Hawaiian ham and cheese rolls.
Yep.
Get you one of them going. Perfect. Look at how good that looks like. Whew. Yeah. So let's show Brandon here, get a bite in and see what it tastes like. You know, I'm actually really excited for Knoephla soup because there's a famous restaurant joint in Minot that has Knoephla soup, and that is the first and only place I've had it. What's the first bite like?
Really good. Is that slider better than Tim Ward's or not?
No, this one's better.
It's nice and clean too. Last year we had sliders that were a little dirty.
Yeah. Wow.
Nick, what do you got over there?
I don't know if this is on the menu or not, but I found a big jar of dip.
It is on the menu. It's spinach and artichoke dip.
Nick is just going off the program and.
Also, Nick, my mom sent these for us. I don't know what she's trying to get at, but Ma sent a bag of carrots for you and I.
What is that supposed to mean?
I don't know what it's, but Mom's like, she's like, you guys might need a healthy option, so she sent carrots for me and Nick.
Carrots for you and Nick, Knoephla soup and sliders for Cody and I?
Yeah. So
I like it.
I like it too.
But better get into that Knoephla.
Let's get in this Knoephla.
I still love her.
So what are we dishing this up with here? Is this just going on a plate?
Yeah, it's a plate.
So it's like a stew. It's not really a soup, right?
Yep.
Look at that.
Grab
Ooh.
from the edges there, Cody. It's warmer on the edges, so.
Interesting.
Take it off the rim. You like going on the high side anyway, right, Cody?
No, I'm more of a middle guy. Keep it
Ah,
in the middle.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. That's not a soup, guy. That's like a.
It's like a pasta.
That's like a hash or something almost. I'm excited for this. Like I said, I've had this before, but only store bought, and like homemade is can't be beat.
Yeah. Yeah, she makes the dough, cuts it up.
That's good.
Is it really good? Mm-hmm. It's really good. I need a fork in here. Let's get this going. Nick.
Oh, let's see it.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, while these guys are eating, Brandon will take over the microphone.
No, I don't know what you guys are like, but I put ketchup on everything, so I also put ketchup on my Knoephla. Yes.
No way.
Yes, it's excellent.
Oh my god.
Yes.
That's so good.
It's awesome.
Ketchup on this right here.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll do the interviews.
I thought you were gonna sing us some karaoke while we.
Well, I would have last night if we would have found a karaoke bar. It was to that point last night.
We were pretty loud. Like when I went to the hotel room, I could still hear people yelling and stuff.
That makes sense. Well, there's a lot going on. We were figuring out a lot of things for tour preparation, so there's a lot going on.
I just want to make your mom happy. I will eat one.
He had his one carrot. Great carrot. How is it? Here, let's get you a fork so you can get some real
fresh out of the
get some real food out of there.
Those are really good carrots.
Yeah, they're really good carrots.
This is so good, man. Right here, this is good.
So yeah, the Knoephla and sausage. That's us. Like when there's a Sondrol get together, especially over the holidays. That's on the menu.
So what'd you draw tonight?
31. What'd you draw?
Cody?
In the 80s somewhere.
In the 80s.
I don't pay attention that much.
But you can pass cars. I can't, so I got to start up front.
I like passing cars. It's fun.
Actually, we invited you over here. We were hoping you could give Sondrol some speed secrets.
Yeah.
Drive where they're not.
Drive where they're not. Yeah. All right. Easy
No matter
enough.
what, wherever they aren't, go there.
You know, the biggest thing I found so far this week is to have the correct deck height. That's a big deal.
Yeah, I need to bump mine up because I'm like
Don't-
an inch or more under, and they're like, why are
Don't-
you so low? I'm like, I don't know. I just don't want to move it.
So are you saying your deck is not as big as Isaac's?
No, Isaac's deck is way bigger and way taller than mine.
Is that because of the exchange rate, or is that just?
Yeah, I think I lose a little bit in the Canadian exchange.
Well, I tell you, the big deck did not benefit me getting in the show. A smaller deck would have got me in the show.
We
Huh.
lose.
Yeah.
You always
So-
lose a few moose per liters of maple syrup when you
Yeah.
go across the border.
Did you hear about that? Yeah, I got DQ'd 2 spots for deck height. Otherwise, I was in the show at no deck. So
He's
No.
flashing
Yeah.
his big deck around, and Dave
Yeah.
said, no, you got to go
Super
back.
Dave said nope. Yeah.
Take a quarter inch off. All good.
Yeah. Yeah. Shoot. So Hallberg, is it better than the carrot?
Sorry, Mom. This is much better than the carrot. Absolutely.
I'm going to, like,
This is a 10
can
out
we
of a
just
10.
get this whole bucket and take it out of here? This is a 10 out of 10. Like,
Was that on the menu? What I was
This is, yeah, so-
Sorry that I got into that.
Did you get in that one, Brandon? That's spinach and artichoke dip, and then we might as well look at it right now. The desserts are peanut butter blossom bars. So they're like chocolate chip bars made with more peanut butter, and then they got these blossom little candies in them. So
Thanks, Mom.
you in, Max Beater? There's our dessert.
I'm on this. This Knoephla, hands down my favorite snack shack of all time. This is so off the board,
Okay.
too. Like, everybody at home's like, what is Knoephla? And I'm telling you right now, it's pure
So what would
deliciousness.
you, so how would you, to your Canadian folk back home, what would you compare it to? Like, what is the closest thing you can get to this back home?
I'd say pierogi.
Well, we're very Ukrainian centered around our area. So like pierogies and sausage, like sausage and sauerkraut, that's a big deal around our area. My grandma made homemade sauerkraut and pierogies and stuff. So this reminds me of my grandma at home, right? So
like when we go to wedding dances in North Dakota, at the end there's always like sandwiches or pizza, right? You go to a Canadian wedding dance, I've been to 2, and they have pierogi bar at the
pierogi
end.
bar,
Pierogi bar.
right, pierogies are so good, dude.
Pierogies and hot sauce.
I haven't had one of these.
Pierogies and hot sauce?
Pierogies and buffalo sauce.
What?
It's awesome, Cody.
Okay, I'm trying it.
Yeah. See, now, for every food tip I give you, you got to give me 1 chassis setup tip back. So you owe me 7.
Okay.
All right, deal.
Drive straight. Don't use the turn.
Drive state.
I like how you waited until he's finished eating and
Yeah.
then you bring this up.
Yep, yep.
Make sure the car turns.
Hallberg?
Wow. What is it? What's the special secret to this?
The sweetness
Hawaiian
is so
bun.
good.
Yeah.
Is it the Hawaiian bun? Is that
Oh,
what it is? Yeah.
the
Hawaiian
sweetness
bun.
on top is amazing.
Dude, this is so, like, I was like, there's nothing's gonna beat this Knoephla. This cheese and ham on a Hawaiian bun.
So first place was the
Those Hawaiians know how
carrots.
to make buns.
Second was the ham and cheese sliders. Third was the Knoephla. Fourth, the dip. First place, carrots.
I don't know, man.
No.
No.
Carrots in the dip?
That's good.
Oh,
That's
let's do it.
Let's do that.
Let's do that.
I've already did it twice.
Yeah. Carrots in the dip are a winner.
See, this is the only way to eat healthy. Right here.
Exactly. A little bit of cream cheese. There's spinach in there. We're good.
That's the only way to eat vegetables right there.
Get my vegetables in.
Something wrong with me? I think I'm going to dip my ham and cheese in the
Do it. Do it. Go for it. Do it.
All right.
Good, good.
Are you kidding me? I just want to put my hand in the dip and just start scooping it into my mouth.
Well, is that another episode of the Sondrol Snack Shack?
Big decks and Knoephla soup. You can't beat that.
Big Dex and Knoephla soup. Good luck tonight, Cody.
Thank you for the lunch.
Yeah.